What's good, fam? This is your boy Dickson. Check this out. I would like to share one of my memorable accomplishments in music with you. It's a song that I had the honor to write on and sing with Busta Rhymes and Haitian Mass for Haiti. It wasn't planned for me to write on it. I just happened to have been at the right place at the right time. The message is simple. Though the land may tremble, we will stand. Busta did an incredible job sharing his thoughts on this project. I had to relax myself. Is this brother Haitian? When in reality, all you have to be is human to understand how catastrophic this earthquake was. I want you guys to hear for yourself. Check this out.
And while my thoughts wander, I don't know where to start. Forgive me for what I speak. Emotions leaking from my heart. But before I continue, I hope my words reach you. Light is up for Haiti. Such a beautiful people, such a beautiful country. Do they deserve to suffer? Such a beautiful nation, such a beautiful culture. And while my heart is racing, and I address the topic, what's the reason they're facing something so catastrophic? And while I search for answers and balance my thoughts equal, all I can come up with is God is testing the people. It's so incredible to witness the strength of the righteous and a clear example of how we come together in crisis. But the point I'm trying to make is that we shouldn't slack to come together like this when it's after the fact. We see the heroes that we had when it rains and it showers. See how the blessing manifests. Unity is power. And there is no question that we are here to stay. We will stand hand in hand. We will rise up again a stronger nation. Stronger nation. We might be broken, but not destroyed. Can you hear us? Can you feel us? We will stand hand in hand. We will rise up again a stronger nation. Stronger. I understand if what I'm saying makes you tighten up. We're repping beautiful Haiti. Keep your lighters up. Don't mean to question God. Are these people forsaken? Never that. It was only time to build a stronger nation, stronger foundation. Now watch the world look and come together to rewrite every history book and live out every action. Now let us light up candles for the hundreds of thousands we lost and lead by example and show each other the potential of rising above the agony of living hell through universal love, a universal hug, holding up each other, our fathers and our mothers, our sisters and our brothers. Despite the shapes and colors, the object is to give. Appreciate the breath we breathe and the life we live. See all the heroes that we had when it rains and it showers, and watch the blessing manifest. Unity is power. And there is no question that we are here to stay. We will stand hand in hand. We will rise up again a stronger nation. Stronger nation. We might be broken, but not destroyed. Can you hear us? Can you feel us? We will stand hand in hand. We will rise up again a stronger nation. Stronger. Mais n'a toujours
I felt obligated and I was deeply affected, directly and indirectly, by this travesty that has taken place in Haiti. I just felt like it was a beautiful thing to be able to express how much I was affected and how much I am supportive of the beautiful people of Haiti by making this record called We Will Stand. And the record was produced by a young man by the name of Dreddy from London, who was that of the West Indian descent. The choir who was also featured on the record with me is Dickson Guillaume and the Haitian Mass Choir, the engineer Ricky St. Hilaire, who recorded the record, participated greatly on the record. I want to also big up Wyclef Jean for, allowing us to use his facility, Platinum Sound Studios in Manhattan and New York. And I want to thank everybody involved, and I also want to thank the beautiful people of Haiti for embracing, giving me the inspiration and allowing me the opportunity to do what I felt was necessary to acknowledge the incredible strength of the beautiful people of Haiti. So once again, this record is called We Will Stand, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Once again, from yours truly, Busta Rhymes. God bless.
While all the cameras are gone, the media gone, the hype of being in front of the cameras gone, I will do all that I can to help the rebirth of Haiti, no matter what. Happy Haitian Flag Day. L'Union fait la force.
And while my thoughts wander, I don't know where to start, forgive me.